Hello, Storytime friends. Snowball the bunny and I are so happy to see you again. Hello, bunnies. Hello, bunnies. How are you? How are you? Happy to be with you. Happy to be with you. Let's begin. Let's begin. Hello to Willow, Weston, Thomas, Theodore, Teddy, Shayna, Sivan, Sasha, Rudy, Nora, Nairi, Penny, Oscar, Olive, Mohan, Miles, Mayrob, Maddie, Linux, Layla, Jacob, Irving, Isaac, Henry, Hayden, Graham, Gideon, Genevieve, Emily, Emmett, Eloise, Ellie, Elliot, Edie, Diana, Dawson, Calvin, Andrew, Anandi, Adeline, and Ada. If I didn't say your name, please make sure to comment on the library's Facebook page so Snowball and I can say hello to you in our next video. Would you like to blow a kiss to Snowball? Mwah! Thank you. Are you ready for our Snowball rhyme? Here we go. Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toes. Bunny, 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 your ears are funny. They're too big for you. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. Everyone loves you. Very nice, everyone. We're going to start today by waking up our bodies. We are going to wake up our hands. Can you shake or wiggle your hands? Good. And our feet. Shake your feet. Very good. And how about your head? Shake your head just a little bit. And then wiggle everything. Great. Are you ready? Here we go. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands, wake and wiggle in the morning. Feet, wake up feet, wake up feet, wake up feet and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Very good. I hope you're awake now. I know Snowball and I are. Well, the weather has been very hot lately, and some of us like to stay cool by going in the water. We are going to meet some animals who like to get cool in the water. We're going to meet a duck, quack, quack, quack. We're going to meet a frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. We're going to meet a harbor seal. We'll just use the sign for animal. And we're going to meet a dog. You can slap your thigh like calling a dog. When they jump in the water, I want to hear a big splash. Can you do it? Splash. One more time. Splash. Very good. All right, here we go. The frog in the heat goes splash, 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 splash. The frog in the heat goes splash, 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 all day long. Here comes the duck. The duck in the heat goes splash, 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 splash. The duck in the heat goes splash, 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 all day long. Here comes the harbor seal. The harbor seal in the heat goes splash, 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 splash. The seal in the heat goes splash, 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 all day long. Good job. Are you ready for the dog? Here she comes. This is Desta. Yes, and Desta loves the water. Right, Desta? Right? Yes, good girl. Desta, should we? I know, we're gonna sing about Desta, who loves to get cool in the water, right? The dog in the heat goes splash, 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 splash. The dog in the heat goes splash, 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 all day long. Good job, Desta. Good job. Are you ready for a very big splash? It looks like Desta is shaking everything, like in our first song. Snowball and I hope that you had fun singing and splashing with us today. Stay cool, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, bunnies, goodbye, bunnies. See you soon, see you soon. Thanks for being with us, thanks for being with us. Come back soon, come back soon. Goodbye, everyone.